Go forth and summon all the princes, governors, counselors, and all the rulers of the provinces of Babylon.
What for, O Queen Nebuchadnezzar?
All must come to the dedication of this glorious golden statue I have commissioned.
It will be done as you command, O Queen. People and nations, when you hear the sound of music, all must bow down and worship the golden statue that Queen Nebuchadnezzar has set up.
We will do as the Queen commands.
I will not worship anything but my God.
O Queen, live forever. Have you not made a decree that all who refuse to fall down and worship the gold statue should be cast into the fiery furnace?
I did indeed.
Well, there are certain Jews, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, who have not regarded you and refuse to worship the golden image you have set up.
How dare they! Bring these 3 men before me at once! Is it true that you refuse to serve my gods and disobey my command to worship the image I have set up?
We refuse to bow down to any God except the true God of Israel.
If you resist, you shall be cast into the fiery furnace. Then we shall see if your God will deliver you then.
O Nebuchadnezzar, we are not careful to answer thee in this matter. If it be so, the God whom we serve will deliver us from the flames, O Queen. But if not, make sure you know that we will not bow down to any of your idols or worship the golden statue you have set up.
Guard, go heat the furnace 7 times more than usual, and then bind Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, and cast them into the fiery furnace.
It will be done as you say.
Their disobedience shall be their downfall. Did we not cast 3 men bound into the fire?
True, O Queen.
But I see 4 men unbound, walking in the midst of the fire unharmed. And behold, the 4th has the form of the Son of God. Come forth for servants of the Most High. How is it that you are not scorched by the fire?
Our Lord, the God of Israel, has protected us from the furnace, so not a hair on our heads is scorched.
Blessed be the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Therefore, I make a new decree that every people, nation, and language that speaks against the God of these 3 men shall be cut to pieces, and their house shall be made a dunghill. For there is no other God that can deliver as he did. For your courage and devout faith, the queen wishes to promote you in the province of Babylon.